Good morning, everybody. So yeah, I often get criticized for overtaking cars on zigzag lines. This image is reversed, by the way. This Tesla is overtaking me. But that law applies only to motor vehicles overtaking other motor vehicles. If you're overtaking a cyclist, you are allowed to overtake the cyclist on zigzag lines, but of course there's a greater requirement for you to be careful about it. So this Tesla driver is overtaking me, but the offense is not the zigzag overtaking offense. It's more because the driver didn't pay much attention to the rest of the surroundings, as you'll see in the video. Alright, cheers. Thank you. Looking down at his phone, no doubt. Watch out, you need to pay more attention, ma'am. The bike's taking a little strain up this hill with this much weight. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Yeah, you can see that driver. Trying to overtake on a crossing